Welcome back, beautiful family. Today, I want to share with you some very delicious rolled and crispy taquitos of birria. Yes, they're nice and crispy, nice and delicious, and perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These amazing rolled and crispy taquitos of birria, these are the ingredients: cilantro, onion, lemon, chili oil, that of course you already have it on my channel, tortillas, Mexican blend cheese, and of course the birria. You already have a couple of options of how to prepare your birria at home, especially when you work. Options. You have the birria cooked in slow cooker. If you work, of course, you could enjoy this amazing birria. You could enjoy this birria in the pressure cooker. You could enjoy this birria in regular stovetop. You decide how, but prepare these amazing and crispy taquitos of birria. So let's get started. I want to start by showing you that I have the onion here. I'm going to slice the edges of the onion and I'm going to remove the skin. This is the first part. I'm going to remove the skin and then I am ready to take it to the sink and start rinsing all my veggies. I'm going to start with my onion, my lemons, and of course the cilantro. You want to make sure that you rinse the cilantro very good. Now that this is done, now let's start with this amazing recipe. I'm going to start with my lemons because, of course, when you enjoy birria at home, you cannot miss the lemon. You have to have the lemon, the onion, and the cilantro. This is a very traditional Mexican dish that I know that you guys are going to love and enjoy. I am going to continue by cutting my onion and dicing it very small, because that's the way you enjoy this amazing dish. Remember, you have the 3 recipes on my channel. How to make your birria when you work. You put it on your slow cooker. 8 hours later, when you come from work, your birria is ready. And then you have the pressure cook recipe where you put it in there, you put all the ingredients, and 3 hours later, the birria is ready. And if you just want to be traditional and you want to make it on your stove top, well, that's perfectly fine. Now I have all the cilantro and onion nice and diced, and I'm going to put it aside. I'm going to continue with my raw tortillas, corn tortillas. Look at this. I have on my stove a skillet nice and hot, and I am ready to warm up my tortillas. I want to make sure that the tortillas are nice and flexible so that I could really roll my taquitos really good. Look at this. It really doesn't take too long when your tortillas are really nice and flexible. Well, I am going to continue making the rest because my family have a very good tooth for these amazing rolled taquitos. And now that I have all the tortillas ready, I am ready to start making my rolled taquitos. Look at this. One side is very smooth and the other has little ridges. Well, on the side where it has a lot of ridges, that's where you're going to add your beef and your cheese. And this is the way I do it. Make sure that you add a little bit of both, because you don't want the meat or the cheese to come out when you are getting these rolled taquitos nice and crispy on your oil. Make sure that when you're rolling it, you roll it nice and tight with the seam down. I'm going to continue, but let me show you. It's very easy to prepare. Don't overfill your rolled taquitos, or else everything's going to be coming out of your rolled taquitos. And you want to make sure that the cheese doesn't come out when you're frying these amazing rolled taquitos. Look at this. It really doesn't take too long to make this delicious and amazing recipe, especially if you want it nice and crispy, just the way I am going to enjoy them today with my family. I'm going to add a little bit of both, and then I'm going to roll it really tightly, really nice and tight. Look at this. My home smells amazing with the consome and all these ingredients. I am ready to enjoy. This is the last roll taquito, and now I am ready to go and start frying them. But let me show you how they look. Look at this. They are nice and tight. On the stove, I have a pan getting nice and hot. I'm going to add my vegetable oil. And when the oil is really hot, that's when you're going to add your rolled taquitos. Don't add your rolled taquitos when the oil is still cold, or else they're going to start opening. And that's exactly what you don't want. You could use toothpicks and put them on each taquito, but to tell you the truth, there's no need. If your oil is nice and hot, they will start browning just like that, and they will not open. And look at this. They are getting already nice and crispy. When they are from both sides nice and crispy, then you are ready to remove. And as you could see, none of the filling has come out. And that's exactly how you want your oil, nice and hot. Well, I'm going to continue removing all these amazing rolled taquitos and adding some more. I can't wait to enjoy them. They really look so beautiful, really crispy. You could really see the cheese coming out of the taquitos. They look amazing, and I'm sure, my friends, that you guys could make it at home, could enjoy this amazing recipe at home. Look at this. Okay, I am ready to remove, and I am ready to start putting it in a plate for the presentation. Remember, you want them nice and crispy. Look at this. They look amazing. And now I am ready to start adding them to this plate, adding all the delicious flavors in here. The onion, the cilantro, the cheese, you name it. This is the way you enjoy these amazing rolled taquitos of birria. A little more of the cheese, and then a little bit of the chili oil. Of course, the lemon. You cannot miss the lemon. The lemon really gives it an amazing flavor. And I'm adding a little bit of the chili oil that, of course, this recipe, you already have it on my channel. And I am going to drown it with the consome, with the juice of the birria. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This looks amazing. It smells delicious. And of course, my friends, I cannot wait for the presentation. I need to enjoy it. Look at this. Excuse me. They are nice and crispy, nice and delicious. I can't wait. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing crispy rolled taquito with birria, and especially with that delicious and amazing sauce. I have the chili oil here, or the salsa matcha you have on my channel, and I'm gonna just drizzle a little bit on the top. And of course, this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Perfection made at home. They are so crispy, but yet so tender through the middle. All that cheesy, all the meat, just amazing. And the sauce is perfection. I hope, my friends, you make these amazing crispy rolled taquitos with birria at home. Remember, you have 3 different options how to make this delicious Mexican dish: birria, slow cooker, pressure cooker, and stovetop. Well, let me stop talking and let me really enjoy this amazing crispy taquito. Excuse me. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. You make it at home. You enjoy it with your family like I enjoyed here with my family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.